What's going on, world? It's your man Pat Caesar LLC, mobile mechanic and roadside services. I'm out here in the sun right now, man, and ain't about almost 10 o'clock in the morning, man. And man, listen. This is history right now. This is a part of my full story. See this Cutlass back here with an old small block in it, the perm. This is the first car that I actually ever made a music video in. And I'm sending it to the scrapyard. Now, it is not mine, it was not mine, it was a homie's. And he actually let me borrow the car for the video. So big shout out to you, Tyler. I appreciate that, man. And he gave me a call. It's been like 17 years. This car means a lot to me. Now, it's lost a lot of the glory that it used to have, but you'd be surprised, man, for an 80s baby car, the interior is actually pretty good. I really actually don't want to get rid of the car. But I have so many projects going on at the same time. There's no way I believe my wife is gonna allow me to justify keeping this car. It's classic, man. This is a part of American history. You know the saddest part about the whole thing is that they don't make it like this no more. You know, you got a steel frame, you ain't got a whole lot of plastic crap underneath here. You can actually jack it up anywhere. Steel radiator. That's pretty cool. White walls, I know y'all remember that. Steel bumpers. And shout out to Havoc, they ain't in business no more. That was a skate shop that inspired a lot of things that actually helped develop the story of Patrick Caesar as you know it right now too. It's crazy, man. I really don't want to see the car go, I ain't gonna lie to you. I really don't. But it's when it's your time to go, it's your time to go. Uh-oh, they're flying airplane. I'm like, what is that noise? Okay, and I guess that dude's watching me in this drone airplane. All right, so I guess I should be getting on the road. I just wanted to make a quick video, man. I ain't gonna say down and out because I'm never down and out. But I've been so busy, man. I've not been able to make any videos. I've not been able to come up with any new edits, and I have a ton. I mean, when I say a ton, like y'all I ain't did a walkthrough of the shop yet. That's for another video. I have to say that for another time. There's a lot of excitement going on right now, but I wanted to share a part of my personal story with this old classic back here. They don't make them like this no more. Once it goes to the scrapyard, it's one of those things that kind of gets buried and lost in history. Some memories you want to cherish as a material possession. This one is just gonna have to stay right up here. But I'm gonna link. It's not on my channel. It was actually on my homie's channel, who did the video. Shout out to Frank. I'm gonna link. He don't even do YouTube no more, but I'm pretty sure that video is still online. I'm gonna link that video below, and it's like a 2-minute intro with me driving in this car, so you'll be able to kind of get an idea of where it was to where it's at right now. And yeah, man, cherish those memories, y'all. I'm rolling. Till next time, mi gente, vi pro mundo beneficio. Peace.